Hello, hello. Sinulat ko na lang ang message ko. Kasi pag impromptu, baka kung ano pa masabi ko. Alam niyo ko naman, namimiss niyo na yung favorite expression ko. Pero sorry, mabait na yung lola niyo. O, eto ha, babasahin ko na. Hello mga kapamilya. Kala niyo wala ako ha. Buksan niyo yung pinto, nasa labas ako. Joke, joke, joke. Only in my thoughts and in my dreams. Na makasama ko kayo sa reunion. Let's start reminiscing the ups and downs of our Refunds journey, all of which made us a true Refunds family to last up to the very moment, this very moment. I can vividly recall how fulfilled I was nung nakita ko kayo na very confident at matapang humarap sa pasahero. Nung magaling na kayo gumawa ng letters, and most of all, manghula kung ano ang mali pag binabalik ko sa inyo ang pinrases niyong refund applications na may naka-attach na maliit na papel na may question mark. And, ha ha ha, how you became an expert sa pagtakas after 5 o'clock ng hapon kahit heavy guarding ako. I know the process was hard and I am far from perfect. But I tried my best to prepare you for other greater tasks which you may encounter in the future. So, salamat for bearing with me on those difficult learning stage. But most of all, salamat for fondly keeping me in your heart and your thoughts until this very day. So my hugs and kisses and well wishes to all of you, my dear Refunds family. Enjoy! Inuman na!